Imagine waking up and you being the one to decide exactly what you are going to do with your day, every day. Does retirement have to wait until you are 65? Why should it? Imagine having the ability to give everything your family deserves, but not having to trade your time for the money to pay for it. What if you get to that so-called retirement age and realize you don't have the money to retire? Will you look back and regret all the key moments you missed with your children because your job got in the way? Will you miss rushing to get out the door, sitting in traffic, filling out resumes, and attending job interviews? We've been there.
I'm Rick from Fortress Federation Investments. We found a way that allows you to experience a better life without sacrificing your future. By investing in real estate syndications, we help you replace your salary with passive income, giving you the freedom to live life on your terms.
What is a real estate syndication? It is merely pooling investors' money together to acquire larger assets, like an apartment complex.
With these assets, you have more control, better returns, and less risk, plus all the tax advantages that the stock market can't provide.
We seek properties where we can add value, so upon a sale or refinance, you earn a healthy profit. Plus, by improving the asset and its operations, you get quarterly or even monthly cash flow deposited directly into your checking account. Whether you are working, traveling, sleeping, the money is always coming in. Soon you'll realize it can cover a mortgage, college tuition, your vacations. It gives you the power to do what you want, where you want, and with whom you want.
If you are a busy parent or professional, partnering with Fortress Federation enables you to leverage all of our time, network, and knowledge to allow us to do all the heavy lifting. Of course, with each deal, you will need to do some initial evaluation, but beyond that, the deal becomes genuinely a passive investment over its life. It's a pretty sweet deal.
I encourage you to sign up for our investor club at www.fortressfederation.com so that you can start creating a life, not just a living.